Hey YouTube fam, how have you been? It has been a super hot minute since I have been on here. So sorry about that. So much has happened, so much has changed, so much has went down in 2021. Am I right? We really need to just have a little chit chat, story time, but that's a story for another day. Today we are going to be doing a little announcement and a unboxing video. So if you like this, please give it a big thumbs up. That will super duper help me get back out there into the YouTube world. And if you really like it, you can go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you will be notified the next time I upload a video. Okay, so what we're doing, kind of the new plans for the YouTube channel, is I am going to be implementing a Tip Tuesday. So every Tuesday I will be uploading a new video. It might be anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, super quick, super easy, super to the point, and it might be anywhere from a homeschooling tip to a mom hack to a DIY to how to bleach a t-shirt to a makeup tip to a fashion tip. Like, if you've been on my channel for any amount of time, you know my channel's just kind of like all over the place, because that's me. I'm all over the place. I like this, I like that, and I just tell you everything. So I already have several Tip Tuesdays kind of jotted down that I have already, like, decided that I'm going to do. But if you have any requests for a Tip Tuesday, please put them in the comments below, because I would love to give you, tips that you would like to see. So that's definitely in the works. I'm hoping the first Tip Tuesday will come out the very next Tuesday after this video is uploaded. That's kind of the plan, but we will see. And as always, if I post a Tip Tuesday and you want to see a more in-depth video, go ahead and put it in the comments. I will definitely do a more in-depth video on whatever the subject may be, if it requires, further explanation and that's what you want. So yeah, if you have questions or requests for Tip Tuesday, please put them down below and I will definitely look into doing that. So, okay, let's do this little unboxing, okay, you guys? Y'all don't know. It's Farmasi. So I did order some new stuff and some summer essentials. Alright, so this is some of the new stuff. This is a new product. I am super excited about these. Can you see this? Can't. Okay. There you go. Okay, so these are our Vfx Pro CC Cream primers. So we have the green and we have the purple. The green is going to counteract redness, and the purple is going to brighten your skin. So I'm just going to kind of swatch these super quick for you. I was really excited about these. So this one is the green. Look at that. Super duper green. Love it. And then here is the purple, and the purple, again, it will brighten your skin. And the green, again, combats redness. So this is the purple. Here's purple. Very pigmented for both of those. Love it. Super excited for those. Then I got VFX Pro. My light is really jacking with it. VFX Pro Primer. This is the silver primer. We also have it in strobe, but that's going to give you a more dewy finish. The silver bottle gives you a matte finish, and I prefer to go with matte. That is definitely a restock because I don't do my makeup without that. Like ever. Another restock will be the VFX Pro Foundation. That is what I'm wearing right now. Absolutely, absolutely love this foundation. I am in the shade 04. And I might have to get a little bit darker shade for like when I get a tan, but we'll see. Right now, that is also a restock. This is another new product. This is a bronzing shimmer dry oil. We just come out with this. It's just launched at the beginning of summer. This is what it looks like. It is so good. Let's see. I'll swatch it. Oh my gosh, can you see that? It is a dry oil. It is a dry oil, so it is not going to be greasy or anything once you get it. Can you see the difference? Like, talk about bronzing. Oh my Lanta. That was like a whole lot. It went all the way down my arm. Look at that color. It is so pretty. Look at that. Smells pretty yummy too. Look at that. Love that. I'm going to be so excited to use that this summer. You know. Also, this is the CC cream. I went ahead and got medium 03 for summertime. That is definitely like pool day makeup because it is a lot lighter of a coverage than the VFX Pro. It is definitely full coverage. I also got It Girl nail polish. Kind of matches my shirt. Can you tell I like this color? I love to paint my nails even though they're not painted right now. I'm gonna have to try this out. So there's that. I got the BB cream, also in shade 03. Love the BB cream and the CC cream. Zen mascara. You don't know, like I order these almost every time I place an order. I have to get Zen because you don't want to run out. This is like totally the best. And let's see what else. Oh, I have not tried this one yet because I always use the brow powder. This is the brow mascara. I got it in shade Rich Brown. Rich Brown for my brows. And let's see. So it literally has its own little mascara wand. Let's see. And that is that shade. Super excited to try that one. Okay, and samples, because you know I'm always sending samples out to anybody. So if you need some samples, hit me up. I'll send you some. Okay, so that's all for my unboxing. That was just basically a restock with a few summer essential items mixed in, some of the new stuff. So that's basically it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I look forward to seeing you on my very first Tip Tuesday. So have a good day. Bye, guys. Hello, YouTube. What's wrong? Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let there be light. Take 4. So anyway, why do you keep coming in my video? That ain't working for me neither. I don't know why I'm talking with my hands so much, because this is the first YouTube video I've done in forever, and I guess I just need to talk with my hands. I don't know. Anyways,